In this video, we will be showing you how you can fix your Eufy doorbell that is not ringing. To fix a Eufy doorbell that is not ringing, first check the Eufy app settings to ensure that the chime alerts are turned on and volumes are all up and quiet modes are off. Next, verify that the physical chime has power and it is paired with the doorbell in the application. And how to do them. Inside the Eufy security app, you can go to the device settings and hand to audio settings. Then, select Chime Alert and turn it on. In the audio settings, check the doorbell audio volume or home base ringtone volume and ensure that the quiet hours or do not disturb are off in home or away settings. So in the device settings, you can click the indoor chime and tap connect if the light is flashing blue, which means it is disconnected. So for wired doorbells, ensure that your existing transformer provides sufficient power, which ranges about 16 to 24 volts. And then if the power is low, upgrade to a 24 volts transformer. And look for loose or corroded or broken wires at the doorbell and chime and then fix it. And that's how you can fix your UV doorbell that is not ringing, and thank you for listening.